everybody, welcome back to It For Guys. You know, my son's been bragging about their drills and stuff, so I decided to try the one I bought for Christmas, I think 2 years ago. My 24-volt Kobalt Impact Driver. My son recently, at my recommendation, bought himself a Craftsman set. The little Impact Driver and the drill. Just like I got my Impact Driver and the drill, Aaron's been hanging on to. Tell us about your Ryobi there.
Yeah, the Ryobi, like I showed before. It's with the combo, the drill. But this is the Impact Driver as well, 18 volt. This one's rated at 1500
inch pounds. Oh yeah, inch pounds. Sorry, that's tough, right? Yeah.
1500 is the rating.
Yes. And I think Brandon's is at 1460. I read it in the box just a while ago. And mine is a little bit more, 1800 inch pounds. So we're going to see what the difference is.
Hang on. About 1800.
About 1800. And for you mechanics out there, 1800 inch pounds is the same as a 3/8 inch impact wrench that's rated at 150 foot-pounds. So
the conversion is 150 pounds.
150 pounds for 1800 inch pounds. Okay, for you mechanics out there that use foot-pounds. We're the inch guys, all right? We could get inch by inch. All right, here we go. We're going to start off probably with Brandon. He's got 1460 inch pounds. We're going to drive these 1/4 inch bolts. Good enough, it'll do it.
That was about 16, 17 seconds.
It definitely does it. We're going to swap the adapter to Aaron's Ryobi and see how well it does. It should also be able to do it. And one thing I have noticed, some of these impact drivers, maybe we need to cut the video right now, okay?
Can you help him with, what do you call it, Dad?
And the collet is calling it right now. So we're going to get it out of there in a second here. I had the same problem with mine. I think our little adapters have gotten run. Oh, the little guy was using it in reverse. Remember, some of these collets, some couplings you go back, this one you go forward, all right? So, trick of the trade. Here we go.
All right, so I'm going to use the 1500 rated inch pound Ryobi 18 volt yellow coated drill. Impact drill. Driver.
Wow. You can tell that was a little bit faster.
Yep,
right?
yeah. It was about
power. Got a little bit more
About
power.
40 inch power faster.
Let's see what the difference of 300 inch pounds does here. I'm an old man, so I need all the power I can get. Here we go. Ready? Call it.
Man.
One-handed.
One-handed.
Did it all the work. All I had to do was hold the drill. Just saying, mine's bigger. Take care of that. All right. Who's the tall guy now? Tall guy, take care.